Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to set up MySQL for RedProtect. This feature is only available for pro servers. To enable MySQL, head over to your control panel, go to the MySQL section, enable it like this. This will give you your details for that server, which you'll have to enter into your plugin config later. The last thing you'll need to do is restart your server so that it generates the appropriate files. Now go to your RedProtect config file and change the file type option to MySQL. I know to do this because the comment above says that there are two options to choose from. YML, which uses YML files to save your data, and MySQL, which will use an SQL database to save all your files. And now enter your details here. DB name is of course the database name. The user is root, and now copy the password and paste it here. This host part stays the same, don't change it. Table prefix is the prefix. This can be anything you want. Usually I put an underscore after the prefix. Spaces shouldn't really be used. And that's about it. Everything should work correctly. If you're unsure or having issues when entering the MySQL details, send us a message and we'll help you out. Save and restart your server. Make sure there are no errors. If you get errors, you've entered your details incorrectly. As you can see, I have none here. The warning you see here should be fine. Everything should still work correctly. Apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.